Good morning to all. Today we see about advanced financial accounting. In this we see about partnership accounts presented by R. Kalevani, first year BCom A, KCS Kasinagar College of Arts and Science. Admission of partners. What is admission of partners? Meaning inclusion of new person as a partner to an existing firm is called as admission of partner. The new partner who joins the business is called as incoming partner or new partner. Rights of partners. There are some rights for the partners. For acquisition of right to share the asset, the new partner has to bring a agreed amount of a capital. For the right to share profit of a partnership firm, the new partner is required to bring some amount which is known as premium or share of goodwill. Admission of partner. Legislate the following accounting adjustment in the book of firm. Ascertainment of new profit sharing ratio, calculation of sacrificing ratio, revaluation of assets and reassessment of liability, distribution of reverse and cumulated profit and loss, treatment of goodwill, adjustment of capital. New profit sharing ratio. New profit sharing ratio is the ratio in which all partners share the future profit and losses. So it is derived from the new profit sharing is therefrom in which all the partners shares the future profit and loss. So it should be deducted from the over. Sacrificing ratio. The ratio in which the whole partners sacrifice or surrender their shares of profit in favor of incoming partner is called sacrificing ratio. So we derive from this formula sacrificing ratio is equals to old ratio minus new ratio. Then new ratio is equals to old ratio minus sacrificing ratio. Revaluation account. The revaluation of account is a nominal account prepared to bring the asset and liabilities of the firm to their true values and to find out the profit or loss arising therefrom. Therefore, now we can get the revaluation account. So there is in that pre-form of revaluation account. In debit side, decrease in value of assets and increase on reassessment of liabilities. In credit side, increase in the value of asset, decrease on reassessment of liabilities capitals account. Then the difference between both things, debit and credit. So it should be on debit side it will be called as gain and in credit side it will be called as loss. Then we can find out the journal entries in which will be used to record this. Adjustment of reverse and other accumulated profit and loss. The incoming partner is not entitled to share in accumulated profit or loss of business appearing in the balance sheet as on the date of admission. The balance appearing in the form of reverse or profit or loss account balance should be transferred to the capital account of old partner in their old profit sharing ratio. Revaluation method of treatment of goodwill. Under this method, the new partner does not bring in his share of goodwill in cash indeed. A goodwill account is raised in the firm books. Goodwill account is created in its full value by creating the amount in the old partners. Capital account is their old ratio. The goodwill account should be shown as asset side of the balance sheet. Then we also find out the journal entry in will used to record this journal entry. All partner capital ECDR. Goodwill. Adjustment of capital. At the time of admission, the partner may agree that their capital account should be adjusted as to make it in proportion to the new profit sharing ratio. This can be done either on the basis of new partner capital on the basis of old partner capital. Adjustment of capital on the basis of new partner capital. Under this method, the total capital of firm is calculated on the basis of share of new partner and the amount of capital brought by him. Capital required for each partner is assigned on the basis of total capital of the firm and new profit sharing ratio. The required amount of capital will not be compared with the actual amount of capital of each partner. After all adjustments are made, if the balance is more than the after all adjustment are made, if the balance is more than the acquired amount, the assets The access will be withdrawn by partner from the firm or will transferred to the current account. Similarly, if the balance is less than the required amount of capital, the deficiency will be brought by the partner in case or will be transferred to their current account. New partners bring this capital on the basis of old partner capital. Under this method, the amount of capital will be contributed by the new partner is assigned on the basis of the combined capital of old partner. In such a case, first of all, balance of old partner capital account after making all adjustments should be calculated. The combined capital of old partner is found out, and on the basis of old capital of the new firm is assigned. From the total capital, the share of new partner capital is calculated by applying the new profit sharing ratio. Thank you.